Now we're going to talk about how to change the schedule status and the schedule type. These two components can be found once you're in an actual time slot of the scheduler and can be seen in scheduling options. Under schedule status, we have waitlisted, confirmed, missed, checked in, checked out, hospital care. And under schedule type, we have appointment, break, consultation, follow-up, holiday, new patient, patient new visit, previous visit, and vacation. Now let's suppose we wish to add or change these existing options. In order to do that, we're going to leave the scheduler altogether. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to go back to that first page by closing out of the scheduler. We're going to go to Master Setup on the left-hand side. Under Master Setup, we're going to select All Lookups. The lookup type is going to be either schedule status or schedule type. Let's begin with schedule type. We'll select the drop-down and find our schedule type and click on Search. Here are the schedule types we currently have. If we wish to edit them, change them, or remove them, we can click on the Edit option here. From here, we can change what it says. In this case, it's called appointment. We can change it from appointment to something else, visit perhaps. And we can delete it as well by unchecking this active checkbox and clicking Save. In order to add a new type, let's first pay attention to the codes here. We have ST1 through ST9. So the next one that we add will be code ST10. And the value is going to be what is displayed in that drop-down menu in the scheduler. So let's go ahead and create a new schedule type. Let's say emergency visit. I'll navigate to the upper right corner where we have the plus box. We're under schedule type. Let's set the code as ST10 and create a value for an emergency visit. I'll click on Save. And I've just created in the scheduler a drop-down item for emergency visit. And we'll go ahead and we'll observe that in just a moment after we create ourselves a new schedule status. We can find schedule status again in the lookup type drop-down menu. Click on schedule status, type in search. Now we have SS codes. So our next one is going to be SS code 10. Let's create a new schedule status and say that this patient is here for an emergency. The code is SS10 in this case. And the patient is here for an emergency, so their status is emergency walk-in or emergency waiting visit. And we've just created a new schedule status. Now let's go back to the scheduler and let's make sure that they indeed have been saved across. I'll click on Scheduler to open up the scheduler in a new window. Click on this test patient and take a look under scheduling options to make sure that we now have our new options. We have the emergency waiting visit for a status, and under schedule type we have an emergency visit. And again, I can always go back and delete those. So let's do that right now by closing the scheduler, going back to those lookups by clicking on Master Setup first, and then going to All Lookups, which is where we are right here. Go to our schedule type, click on Search. Let's find our new one that we created was emergency visit. Let's go ahead and inactivate this by unchecking the active checkbox and clicking Save. And we'll go and we'll find our schedule status. Click on Search. Find the one that we just created. Click on Edit. Uncheck the active checkbox and click Save. And this is how you can very easily personalize your schedule types and your schedule statuses.